Today we explore something simple but incredibly powerful, and that is what happens if you shadow 20 English sentences every single day. And I want you to imagine this as a gentle daily practice that slowly transforms the way you speak, understand, and feel English. And shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it, immediately copying the tone, rhythm, sound, and movement of the speaker. And when you do this every day, 20 sentences at a time, something begins to change inside your brain, because shadowing is not just speaking it, it's training your muscles, your ears, your rhythm, your tongue, and your confidence all at once. And at first it feels a little strange, like you are not sure if you are saying it correctly or matching the voice correctly, but as you continue this daily routine, your tongue starts moving more smoothly, your voice feels more stable, and your mind begins to understand English sentence structure without any grammar study at all. Pay or teach you shadowing 20 sentences a day is like feeding your brain small pieces of real English, and because they are small, your brain does not feel stressed, and instead it absorbs naturally, and your listening improves because you hear natural pronunciation, and your speaking improves because you repeat natural pronunciation, and your fluency improves because you connect words smoothly without stopping to think. And over time your mouth develops something called muscle memory, which means your mouth begins to remember how English sounds and how English feels, and this makes speaking easier, faster, and more automatic. And you also begin to understand connected speech, the way native speakers blend words together, and this is something textbooks never teach, but shadowing teaches naturally every day. And when you repeat 20 sentences daily, your confidence slowly grows, sentence by sentence, repetition by repetition, and you feel more comfortable using English in real life. Part 3, and something interesting happens to your thinking too, because when you shadow daily, you stop translating and your brain begins to think in English. And this happens because shadowing creates strong sound patterns in your mind, and your brain starts recognizing them as natural patterns, not foreign ones, and the shift reduces hesitation and fear and increases comfort and flow. And every sentence you shadow plants a small seed inside your memory, and when these seeds repeat daily, they turn into natural phrases, automatic structures, and confident speaking habits. And imagine after 1 week, you have shadowed 140 sentences. After 1 month, you have shadowed 600 sentences. And after 3 months, 1,800 sentences. And this kind of repetition changes your fluency forever, because your brain has heard spoken and practiced thousands of natural English patterns, and these patterns become the foundation of your confident English. Part 4, shadowing also improves your intonation, the music of English, the rise and fall of your voice. And most learners struggle with intonation because they study grammar, not sound, and sound requires repetition, not theory. And shadowing 20 sentences a day gives you daily sound training, daily rhythm training, and daily pronunciation practice, and you begin to feel English in your body, not just in your mind. And when your body feels the language, your speech becomes smooth, your confidence becomes strong, and your fluency becomes natural. And this is why actors, singers, and public speakers use shadowing to train their voices. And when you shadow daily, you are training like them, building a flexible, strong, confident voice. And another powerful effect is speed control. Shadowing teaches you when to speak slowly and when to speak faster, and how to balance the rhythm of sentences, and this makes your speaking clearer, calmer, and more pleasant to listen to. Part 5. And the most beautiful part of daily shadowing is that it removes fear, because fear comes from not knowing how to sound, not knowing what to say, and not trusting your voice. But when you practice 20 sentences every day, your voice becomes familiar, your pronunciation becomes predictable, your rhythm becomes steady, and your fear slowly begins to disappear, and you begin to trust your voice more. And when trust increases, confidence increases, and when confidence increases, fluency increases, and this is why so many learners say shadowing changed their speaking life, because it gives immediate practice, real sound repetition, and true confidence. And the more you shadow, the more natural English feels. And one day you suddenly notice that you are speaking faster than before, or you understand native speakers better, or you pronounce words that used to be difficult, PRT6. So what really happens if you shadow 20 sentences? Every day, something slowly but powerfully transforms inside you. Your mouth becomes more flexible. Your listening becomes sharper. Your vocabulary becomes active. Your confidence becomes stronger. Your fluency becomes smoother, and your fear becomes smaller. And the best part is, you do not need long hours. All you need is 20 sentences a day, just a few minutes, and every day you practice, you are unlocking a better, more confident English-speaking version of yourself. And with each repetition, you are training your brain, your voice, and your future. And this simple habit of continued daily will build a foundation of natural, confident English that will support you forever.